welcome back everybody. Today we're going to be looking at a tutorial for the forward roll in gymnastics. We're going to break that forward roll down into 3 stages. Stage 1 is going to be rolling. Stage 2 is going to be body weight on hands. And stage 3 is going to be jumping into the roll. I'd like you guys to watch along and comment as to how I get on. We're now going to be doing the bunny jump with the feet on the floor and the hands on the top of the slope. We're going to do a big jump and encourage the hips to go as high as we can. We're not aiming to go over yet, but we are aiming to keep those arms straight. For this activity, we're going to start in a star shape. The legs are in straddle, and we're going to encourage the hips to be as high as we can. And we're going to aim not to use the hands in the roll. Just watch and see, guys. Start in my straddle shape. I'm going to fold down so my hips are super high. Look underneath me. And then roll. And the reason sometimes is that when we put our hands down on the ground, we can actively stop ourselves, and we want that rotation to continue. So by taking the hands out of the way, it should encourage that roll to happen naturally. We're now going to encourage you to do all those coaching points in the stages together. We're going to make sure we do have a nice rounded back for the roll. We're going to keep our arms straight at the start for the bunny jump weight on hands phase. And we need to really push off those legs to give us enough rotation to go over. We're going to do the same bunny jump prep, but this time we're going to roll down the wedged slope. When the confidence of gymnast increases, that's when we can reduce the wedged slope. As you can see, I've gone straight onto the floor here, but what I could have done is use those green mats that we used earlier to reduce the height and therefore build that confidence. We're looking at accuracy and consistency. As you can see, the forward roll is actually quite a long skill, quite a fast skill. What we don't want to do is a slow forward roll, whereby we have a weight-bearing stage in the middle. If that happens, then the gymnast sometimes can bend their arms and have a bit of an injury, and we want to prevent that in beginner gymnastics. What I would say is to become competent and accurate and consistent at each stage before you go on to the next stage. If you combine all those preps together, all those activities in those stages, I'm sure you'll have a very competent and very good forward roll.